है सुमाना, मेरा फेम नेम है ताचिका, and I talk every day from 8:30 to 9. Okay, anyway, so I'm going to talk about the people in India who revolutionized fashion in a way. क्योंकि हम एक country के हिसाब से as Indians we are very conservative, and to somehow change from a conservative outlook to experimenting new things, and at the same time fashion का एक टाइम पे फैशन बोले तो उसका एक्सप्लेनेशन यही होता था दैट यू आर सपोज टू वेयर, इफ यू वेयर समथिंग स्किम्पी देन यू आर फैशनेबल. But so these people out there experimented with colors, experimented with styles, experimented with traditions, and they came up with very interesting designs which not only are very famous in India but also abroad. Okay, number one of course is Manish Malhotra. Manish Malhotra के बारे में बात करूँ तो he is द गो टू पर्सन इन बॉलीवुड. मुझे याद है दिल तो पागल है के टाइम से स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम करिश्मा टू आलिया टुडे दे आर स्टिल फॉलोइंग मनीष मल्होत्रा. ही क्रिएट्स कस्टम मेड डिजाइंस जस्ट टू अपील टू द मासेस थ्रू बॉलीवुड. फिर नेक्स्ट ऑन द लाइन इज, हम कितने लोगों को कहो ना प्यार है याद है. कहो ना प्यार है जब आया था 2000 में, आई रिमेम्बर वो मैं तो बहुत बारी गई थी थिएटर में उसको देखने के लिए ऑब्वियसली, एंड दैट मूवी रैन फुल हाउस just because of Hrithik Roshan for weeks. At least some part of the credit for Hrithik's amazing look goes to Rocky S. Rocky S उस वक्त he wasn't as big a name as he is at this point, and उस वक्त he really made Hrithik Roshan the style icon that he is, because that is where Hrithik Roshan started, and Hrithik hit the target with his first movie, and Rocky S definitely gets some of the credit for sure. Ayush says Ritu Beri, she's love. Yes, Ritu Beri herself is so beautiful, and she could have been a model any day for sure. And Ritu Beri was the first Indian fashion designer जिसके designs Paris Fashion Week में exhibit हुए थे. Rohit Bal is an inspirational story because he graduated from St. Stephen's with honors in history, and after that, even after having such an amazing career, such an amazing education, he chose to do fashion designing, और fashion designing अपने passion को उन्होंने realize किया, and he went out there and did so big and made it definitely so big. Manish Arora is another fashion designer जिन्होंने अभी, he is based out of London. He's worked for an international fashion brand, and he's designed for people like Lady Gaga and Katy Perry. So someone out there in the fashion industry who is definitely going out there and making it. मतलब उन्होंने इंडिया से शुरू ही नहीं किया, वो सीधा बाहर ही गए और बाहर ही छा गए एकदम, इतना बढ़िया. So Manish Arora is another person who's bringing India up in the fashion scene for sure. Fashion is something that's really coming up, and ये लोग अगर नहीं होते तो fashion कभी इतना बड़ा नहीं होता इंडिया में, and for that they definitely deserve a lot of thanks, which is why I thought it's the perfect beam idea. At least one day मुझे अपने fashion designers के लिए dedicate करना चाहिए, and that's what I'm trying to do here. Bye friend, take care. Thank you Kishore for coming. Lippy says bye, good night, sweet dreams. I thank you Lippy, same to you. Bye, good night, sweet dreams. And I hope आप मेरे beam पे वापस आओगे.